My people, now good evening. Thank God again. We don't come back for this program with what are the heart of the matter. For independent television, don't forget my name now, FAO Safoa. They here again, no, because what you want to do to make sure, say, our country, our state, our local government, say everywhere they develop. They don't they trump on anybody right or that be the essence of all this program. Some of them will be say they there, whether they take time, they talk to and say, make una they do that way right. If you not do it right, law fit catch you. And when they catch you, you're on your own. Oh. My brother Mark Ololo not there with us today. He go for that assignment and he go they come to give us different report for inside this program. My brother Gabe from human rights activist in don't do it. Major Gabe, I greet you well this evening.
Okay, good evening, sir.
We see the expert Barrister Sadolo. Barrister Sadolo Ingo there with us from National Right Human Commission. Ingo there with us this evening. We'll be say we all go gather the talk. You too, if you say don't take time to watch this program, you too are part of the program also. You too still there with us for this program. So I greet you for the time when you say don't take sit down this evening to be part of this program. But before we go really put mouth for the real matter we say we'll get today, we'll come back for more quick join my brother Dennis Sofik for our news.
All right, country people, now do well. We'll now join us again for Inside the Program. Now, the Tory corner be this. My name is Dennis Ofik. Well, today, don't reach our now today say Nigeria Public University teachers, then, whether they call lecturers, they done suspension, the strike, will be say they start since 4th November 2018. Based on the information, we say don't reach our now, they done suspension after their meeting with the government come end yesterday evening. The Academic Staff Union of University announced for inside their Twitter handle, say schoolwork go open on Friday, will be today, so 8 February 2019. Nigeria Federal Ministry of Labour say they don't reach agreement with the lecturers them, but as to say the condition to take end the strike now for government to fulfill all their own parts of the agreements. Further to read this evening, the person will join body to bring out the program whether they call bring back our guests and the before presidential candidate of Allied Congress Party of Nigeria, Dr. Obiageli Ezekwesili. And don't explain now why she can't remove herself from the presidential run. She say now because say the leadership of the party where in one use they won't use her and take get money from her foreign contacts. For one press conference we be say she do on Monday, Madam Ezekwesili can say she did her own kankpe when it be say the oga of the party come meet am say they won't make she run under their party. She said by that time she thinks say they get the same vision, but later she can see say the party self they do mago and because their style no dey in line with her own value. Now she can decide to take comot herself for inside the race. So she said the one wey be say come funny pass now the allegation wey be say the party come put on top her head, say she chop the campaign money where people donate to her. Well, based on information we say she come out for her campaign office, say now about 48.9 million naira now in they don't get for the campaign. They say 15 million naira of the money come from the general public. She constantly explains say her experience don't show her say no be only APC or PDP get bad and corrupt political structure. Say because of this bad political system for the country, she go start mega leadership school where we say go help take shake Nigeria political structure and can raise good leaders for the country. She still talks say the party go build strong political movement where go help fix the yama we don't fool Nigeria politics, and say the name of the movement go be fixpolitics.org. Well, finally this evening before we come out for Inside Sport Tori, Dorset Police for inside UK, they don't confirm to say the body where they come out from inside the plane na the dead body of Cardiff City player Emiliano Sala. Sala will be 28 years old, be they travel go Cardiff City with pilot David Ibosin when the plane missed for English Channel for 21st of January. They come out the body from the plane on Wednesday inside this week after they can see the plane on Sunday morning. The Air Accident Investigation Branch of England say now specialist contractors now join them for the operation for challenging conditions for inside the they do all operation. The best wey be say they go fit do na wetin they come dey tell the two family them as e be say they can't go through all the operation. Na wetin dem talk wey be say they ever still see the pilot body, the Piper Malibu 264 dB be dey come from France go Cardiff, where e be say the 28-year-old Argentine striker go see im teammate for im former club Nantes after Cardiff come announce say they don collect the bros for 15 million transfer. Oga Igbosina na 59 years old. He come from Crowle, North Lincolnshire, and na him be dey fly the plane when e be say he can't lose contact with air traffic controllers on January 21. Well, country people, now for inside this story this evening, now here we waka reach. My name now still Dennis Ofik. The program Odota is still the waka dey go. Una good evening.
The program will be say you see the watch Nana Udwata. Don't forget to say if you want just be part of this program. That number again at 052-290573. May I still let you know again? 052-290573. You two go just there here with studio. The studio too small, you know, contain everybody. If not for say all of now we dey there now, wanna come join us here for this evening. But my brother Enje Gabe. In don't do it. Like I said, tell you now, Barrister Sadolo go see the join us for inside this program. May can really tell us the angle we say concern the law over this girl issue where we say they grant. If you be person where we say it just the follow up, don't forget to say never tell on Saturday here when it be say one guy from this Ugbo area for Edo State. If you the person don't watch him or you don't see him for social media, carry a friend to follow body, go sleep with man. After they don't dey there together, when they break, the guy say his phone lost. Say the phone lost, say that the girl not taken. After he said that the girl taken, not do. They say no, say the girl must replace her. And so they can't take the do one before they can't decide to say okay, may they go call one man. I think Babalawo wey they call Magic Man. And the Magic Man can come now, can they perform different things. According to those who see him, he said they go write people name. They go write everybody name where we say they there. The one where they mention in name where we say take a name go vanish. Say the one where we say take away name they there, name go vanish. Say when they come they look and when they come reach this girl turn to say her name just vanish from there. So as her name vanish, now from there they come say, now you take this phone. And the guy say, I not take phone no. I don't know one, I don't know two for this thing. Say the Magic Man bring something like bring phone come and inside the phone say something like bullet come and pierce am for the girl body. So from there now say the girl come say Mona not beat me, Mona not kill me. This phone I not take am. And so they do assist the thing they pay now. People who gather where we say they give her and say come say na me take phone. They not see in there. They now have the hotel say when he see the way the whole thing be say that so in contain wakatu. So if na so Mona not kill her for my Mona not do one. May I could replace the phone. Not knowing where then they beat this guy, they do different recording. They record. If you watch that video, it not be like saying a human being and they treat like that. From there, carry and go one corner, a private part, begin carry pepper, they grind down for inside that private part. And you know say the country never just dey lawless reach like that, much more those states don't dey lawless reach like that. So my brother Enje Gabe, how you look this kind of matter?
Guy, the thing they very, very pathetic. Say at this modern time, upon the advocacy when we they do against torture, against capital punishment, say people still they take law into their hand like this. When I watch that video, I said no, this one not be do. But second thought, I say which day we just degenerate like this? Say we not gonna get value for human life. First, now those two boys. When he put the girl trouser from their clothes, they will carry those two boys. Two, the other one na the boy when he be say he hold his leg. Third, na the one when be say he throw that pepper. Because if that person not bring that pepper come, for no use them. Then the manager, because if you will be manager, they won't keep person for your hotel. You suppose call for law enforcement agencies to save the situation. Then the one when he be say he alleged say na he for the thief and the Magic Man, these 7 persons they really get case to answer, because this magic man and the one he say he get phone na he cause the fire when we dey so. If magic man not involved, maybe those people dey for not beat am like that. Since magic man don come involve, and na that man when he raise alarm for him phone, that me believe say na he involve magic man. If he not raise alarm, magic man for no involve. Now magic man don involve, don give people power to take do wetin they do. But however, wetin I go appeal to security agents be say make dem no go carry innocent people, say people wey dey clear for there and all those. If not be part of the people wey be say they dey sympathetic to this cause, say everybody now na journalist, that video we for not see am, because from the information when we read, we say manager we say he don settle the matter.
Yeah.
How you go settle that kind of barbaric act? Say you wan pay the owner if when somebody don torture somebody.
No, na too formal. You know, even when we don't try to dey investigate, na that manager for hotel, na two hotel involved. Okay. The hotel when e be say dem go sleep, different from the hotel where all these girls dey stay.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't know whether they get my point. And the hotel where they stay come be like say they na their house. Why where they for the hotel and they for pick them where they come go sleep for another hotel. So it come be like when person do something, you say they find out go your house. When you follow, when you reach your house, you come tell the father say, if you not just pay this thing for me now, I go just kill you, I go kill your pikin, I go burn your house down. So the hotel where they stay, now the man that he say they come start to destroying things. As in they want start to destroy things, and then he confess say, I beg go, I know if you just quiet like this, make the content. Now he make the mouth of that fear and couple with those where he say them be different level. Now he say, if not so, may I could they replace am, make this matter for come off for crime.
As you take talk, and if not so he be, now be say the manager not get issue for there. Those people when he be say they scatter in things, police know wetin they will charge.
But you know say you know
if they see wetin they scatter,
no, when my people they go say those wey take here, those wey see am. First police go fit arrest everybody. You wey be say be the manager where they stay in place. You wey say you wan pay. The man wey be say they still go meet make fair come talk, but they must fair condole everybody. Then everybody now go come dey talk one by one how you know reach before they come dey fit am.
But these 6 people now,
don't get
these 6 people now, na them be the primary suspect. Na them because
you know, the 6 people wey dem dey count now, the manager of where dem dey stay e dey among go. Me I let you just know now.
Okay. The magic man they never catch.
No, that one say that one. You know say they call Baba.
So that magic man na him go make am decision.
That one now they go there. The man when he say according to you know say our brother one mascot, they still hold am.
Say he settle.
He see there among those wey they count among the 6 o.
I mean say they never carry the lead suspect for that.
He dey among those wey they say they count because. They say according to him, he say the hotel man call him say abeg o come help me o they wan scatter my things here. Say wetin be that? Okay, all of una make una come my house. According to wetin him talk, but police when e be say dey around all to say na lie, he no fit say he no know when dem dey beat am. But the question wey come dey ask, how people will just fit get strength to resort to things like that? To fit treat fellow human being.
Na the way our value system don take degenerate. If you see the issue of kidnapping, now with those days when we dey grow up, na gbomo we dey hear. But today now you go just see somebody dey catch human being, come dey negotiate am like egile, come dey price am. Go say 10 million, 50 million, 20 million. Now because our value system don degenerate. So now all those things now e come enter the full society when we dey today now. That we no come get regard for human life, no matter how, even if that 10 billion, even if that get kill human being, those people no get right to take law into their hand. We dey hear of all these things for other neighboring states, not before Edo State. When we say today we know of the level of media awareness when they go on. Say for people to descend so low to that level, say they torture human being like animal. I watch that video, and I think Ministry of Women Affairs, they really need to bring that girl, not just to go keep and put for one place. So they need to work on that girl for her to get her psychosocial well-being.
I think one of my friends for Germany, when he called me, say his friend wey dey Togo. Say his friend na citizen of Togo, na Togo dey stay. He say na for Togo, na for poster come meet and say wetin he see wetin na dey do for Nigeria. Na him come from Germany call me say na true say na this state, because he see the language wey dem dey speak. Na true say na this state, na this kind thing for happen. I say na say I will see am. So make you take know the power
of social media.
Of social media, because when some of us they do some of these things, go to say nothing they happen. You understand me?
Yes.
And you know when this one come out now. Now this one come see say now say similar incident fit happen almost 6 months a year ago. But e be like say when that one happen,
no record.
They just record it. They be like say they quiet and silent over am. You understand me? Now when this one come happen now, they come dey send am now. Just that this one they not come the grand pepper. But the beating and everything with that one even still get carry something the private part use something they hit am. How long will it continue like this in your game as an activist?
You see, our parents now will go happy too. You know, when we say mama those days when you go born pikin na back there the back pikin, but today now by 3 months you don't leave am for house girl. That motherly love no dey. E no dey again. So when that pikin don grow up, e don already disconnect from friendship. Then when he come back from school, he say he wan complain to him papa, hello daddy, say shut up please, I'm exhausted. You don kill am. So who we wan rely on? Na him friend, which is a peer mate, and those one go put bad thing into him mind. Not until our parents know say this money wey we dey find na this work we come meet money, we will go leave money. But when we build our children well, we go when we don die finish, we go know say yes we don build better family. Your pikin go come, mama carry your pikin for back, no be house help. The money wey you dey find so no be him. Papa, when you come back from work, no matter the exhaust when you exhaust, if the pikin dey say nonsense, lis ten to am. Then when you don talk finish, you dey collect the sense wey dey inside, tell am say I hear you, tomorrow I will address this your matter. The pikin go dey happy. Tomorrow he go still bring you, he go still remind you say daddy wetin you talk yesterday you never tell me o, to tell you say the mind of children na play. As you put am in na so e go take go out, because you don tell am say tomorrow I will tell you more about it. He then go remind you say he need feedback based on wetin he hear from a peer mate. But when be say you don despise am say make e go, you don dey exhausted this one, na him friends when be say dem no know anything, a group and a teachers when be say dem no know how e origin, e sociology and anthropology, how dem dey live for their house, na dem go come dey teach am say na so e go dey be. And when that pikin don wake, e don come make sense, form im own sense when e go say I no know say this world na survival of the fittest, which means I have to survive, I will not die. Then anybody when e do am kpekere na slap, because the time when he need care and love he no see, now he dey take am back to the society. And we dey so.
But I dey remember say those days say female girls how to take keep them, and come be like say these days the way we say most of our girls dey live now, because with all these things wey dem dey hear every time, no sure say they suppose to see the way of still take care of themselves to avoid some of these things, maybe because we don see many of our girls wey dey even kill. Thank God now say we dey see this one dey discuss now. We don see many when e be say through some of these things they kill them, they throw away them. I remember one day when e be say one day, I sure say that day na person wey be say they even see stay together, they come use after the girl don die, come go lock am for inside bus, they go throw away am, big travelling bag. Then they put on that big traveling bag. Nobody knows say na human being there inside. Yeah, people just assume say na like dirty. Because they throw away for inside dustbin as if say na dirty. Na it be. Till e come like say the bag heavy. They swear. So you know when e be like say the bag come dey write the right thing, the bag come bulk. When the bag burst, before they come know say na human being dey inside. Our guests not supposed to dey learn.
And they no go feel them because that love they don't get am. The only place where they define love now na from outside, and outside now don bad. Our boys too, with the only thing when they hear now, because our boys too they disconnected for this family upbringing. Our parents won't hammer, so the children don't grow up to know say na hammer na be the way it dey. the religious matter, religious institution, they know they make things easy for the ordinary person. Even the traditional institution too, they know they. So everybody want hammer. That is why even the law enforcement agents, instead of us to tag these people as ritualists, they can't give them name wey be say who don kill human being, you can't say attempted. Somebody wey don kill, they call them Yahoo Plus to make the thing come sweet. Some people just call, they say these people na ritualists. For somebody to take 5,000 naira kill human being, you say na Yahoo Plus. No, you go carry somebody pant, you say na Yahoo Plus. You go carry human skeleton head, you say na no. Those one are ritualists. So when you call them ritualists, our people know say these people they be evil, now they be. It just be like as you dey talk yourself when you say corruption to my day for village, you go be like say na you just put otutu for there, you just rub and powder, you call am. But by the time you tell am say na otutu, na person when they use barrel they kill people, na it be corruption. Person when they use destiny they kill people destiny. This country now, people when take barrel take kill this country. The ordinary person go know say this thing na evil.
The man when they cause that person wey take get accident wey that person die.
Wey be say the road when they want tie, so na this man na he take barrel take collect am, he go put am for him pocket. Water when we no get, so oyibo come make am, if na big man they go paint am say na corruption, but when the ordinary man steal orange for street, they go say na thief. Cool. Shey you see where we dey now. Na him be wetin our society, not until we begin to dey call evil and call good. Na so we go continue to dey, my brother.
But all this one wey be say we dey now with the first headquarter Abuja now don say this matter na one matter wey be say they go continue to follow. May the commissioner of police Edo State really swing into action, do investigation and submit to them.
Na order na dey give, but first headquarter na really the men when e dey ground here. I really commend the security agents when they grant here for their diligence, because immediately that thing come up for social media, within 24 hours they don't carry some of the suspects. So I really commend the security agent for that. For the moment the first headquarters see they talk, they say they just want to work in the gallery because they're not fit. The first headquarters not fit persecute. Now still commissioner of police.
At the end they still carry the comment.
So now still commissioner of police now he go still persecute. So now for them for the commissioner to open instruct the unit when they do their investigation, say look, those when be say say they are not capable of this thing, when we come be say na them they will give evidence against these people, put them aside. Then those when be say na them be the primary suspects, charge these people to court. Because we get such matter like that for Ekeadolo police station, when be say somebody says something for person, that at the end of the day the person come when the person say something for person, he say okay, may I just describe am better. He say bucket of trailer for person. Then the man come talk say he no like the bucket again, he no want am, make he resell am. So that one come sell am for another person. He sell am finish, he no give the person when he first buy am, he no give am money. So the person when he mediate as at the time he sell the bucket, na that come tell am say oh boy, this man he come me say you don sell the bucket, give am money na he come go send some amount of money put for him hand. So by the time police dey do investigation, when they go see the bucket, they come carry that man. The area commander look at the case, say no, this man was a mediator, you no need to arrest this man. This one wey be say he said two things for one person,
at the same time,
now we go need to get. So this one just immediate say see how e be. So police need to do their job diligently, so that those wey be say as at the time the something dey happen, they will come become a weakness. So say this is wetin we know, this is wetin we know, to confirm wetin those their own statement when they talk. And so they take they do persecution, or else the matter will
but you see say this thing they are
because police not dey scene of crime.
You see this thing wey be say they are among the challenge wey be say we dey face for our country. Na insincerity contribute. Similar case, I don't know whether I don discuss am here, where when I travel, I think me with one Nigerian wey dey together for US just say he wan buy one car. We come gather go look that car, say he like the car. As we reach there, we price, I think that car, they sell the car about $1,500. Now be say they sell the car that, but he can't get some features so if you say they work like the AC. So he can't also make try make them fix that AC. So because of that AC, say the same go fix and okay. When I come carry, I come say 3 days back, me come the car done ready, come drop $400. say when e dey come him go balance the rest. You dey understand me? When anyone give that money, I come say, you dey give money to person like we no go write agreement. He say we no need agreement. I say because if na Nigeria, we need to do agreement. Or else you dey come back the next day, don tell you say you no buy anything here. I say more write agreement. He say that one na Nigeria. He say you no need to write any agreement. He deposit that money. After 2 days, he say he no like that car, that motor again. He say he no like am. Now I say if you no like am na to get your money go out. If na Nigeria, I say he no like the car. He don call the guest, he say he no like the car. The guy come say oh, you don't like the car again? Say he no like am. Come say okay. So they come collect him money. The guy say okay, but the only thing wey the guy talk say if not be say you come say you no like the car, by now if I don sell am, you come tie him money down. Now you come say okay, no problem. So they come collect your money. If na here, as him dey go dey think of na army I go carry follow body, na police I go carry follow body, who I go carry follow body now, so that when I reach there, make dem forgive me my money. When I dey follow the thing, say me will forget. Say you know, he say the guy don say make he come collect money, make he come collect money. Do you know that day say make he come around 8 in the evening? As we reach there, this guy phone no come connect again. When we dey front of the house, now I tell am say I no tell you just now. You say you dey America, you dey America, you dey America. This guy don off phone because he don know say we we'll come here by 8. Now he off phone because as person wey dey come from Nigeria. Because na the same similar case. Now you just tell us so for what happen for Ikadolo. Insincerity. As we just dey park, we try this guy number, he no go. In less than a minute, I don't know where this guy just come. Fear. Say, are you back? Say yes. So we don't come back. He just put one for pocket. Just give us the $400. No talk, no story, no I dey go police station, no say the money no complete, no say my father say he don quick and sell am, no say this money I don use am, like wetin the way our attitude here. The next thing wey you go hear say go say well you know say the reason why I sell this car I wan use money, so as you give me the money now I don spend the money, so the only thing wey you go do, you go wait till I sell the car. When I don sell the car, may I give you your money back. And this one na just delay titles, and some of them go still sell the car, you go still eat the money. Now one bucket now he sell am for 2 persons and they go police station. Now so you go drag am now, how the case don go?
So na failure of we the people and the institution. Now we the people, because if me I wake up I see say this one na my neighbor, this one na my brother, because when they go church, they say when Jesus come, he summarize all the laws of Moses, say love your neighbor as themselves. If we really get love for ourselves, you go see say God may not get anything we go do, because constitution say sovereignty belongs to the people of Nigeria, from whom government shall derive its power. If the people say na so we want to live our life, we don't need anything, you go see say government sef go come behave like that. But as long as the people they misbehave, the government sef go dey misbehave. That be the society when we dey. For this country, me with you dey, we dey pray for 3 hours light. While another say for this country, people dey protest say they no need 24 hours light. Say the other 12 hours say they no dey take am dey for her. Say the other 12 hours na dey take dey dey for her. For this country, while we dey go church, go dey pray, go mosque, go dey pray, go dey consult babalawo, make dem give us 3 hours light. Whereas these are institutions we are supposed to challenge them. Don't sit in your house say God will bring manna. The days of manna is over. These days wake up and challenge. If you not challenge authority, if you not talk, that's why I like this slogan that they talk, say see something, say something. If you not talk, nobody go know. So not until our people believe say na them na it be the real government, say the people when they lead, so they just be photocopy of the leaders. If we say na so we need our things to be, the government go say okay na so it will be. But if we not just get direction, which means government go just dey push us dey go. Now where government push us go, now we go dey follow.
Automatically that the slogan when e be say when other country they fit separate am, say this one na wetin I suppose to take as prayer point to tell God, and this one na wetin I suppose to tell government make dem do for us. But this part of the country things wey be say we go tell God make do for us, we dey tell we go tell government make government do for us, we dey tell God make do for us, we dey tell God make tie road for us, we dey do fasting and prayer, no sit chair take sit down for class, we dey do dey pray make if I go hospital now make I see doctor wey be say he go attend to us, we dey pray say even when I finish school may I get work, things wey be say we suppose to say government my duty as a citizen of this country say
na my right
to enjoy good electricity, na my right to enjoy good education, na my right to enjoy good road, rather we dey tell God maybe say make dem do am for us.
If dem wan come divide us proper, you come dey hear say na Muslim, na Christian, na Satana, na Northerner. Thief no get any brother. Those days here where ekwe mo ya about you on ekwe mu. So when you see somebody wey don thief, make una no dey say this one na Satana, this one na Northerner, this one na Muslim, this one na Christian, this one na black, this one na yellow. Let us know say this na thief. Make everybody chase am so that the next person wey wan come sit down there will know say wetin comot this way for they say e thief o. But when we don divide am finish, at the end of the day we say okay, wetin we go do? If I thief, if dem dey pursue me dey go, I go run enter your house, then you go talk say na because say na my brother. They don spoil the whole matter be that. Na be the problem wey we get for this country. That is why we no dey move, we no dey progress at all. We no dey progress.
My brother, say person wey fit get that kind heart take do that girl, if he kill person, how you look that kind?
He short, he don already kill person. No be say he don already kill person, especially that boy wey be say he take pepper dey grind am. Because when I watch the video, the way that boy take do am, my mind even dey suspect me say that boy go don for dey try to toast that girl because he no gree for another anger he take go there. Because for that boy to do that kind of havoc, no be the phone you dey do again. Because and the evil wey they commit now, e get nothing to do with phone. No matter the amount of phone, that phone no go pass 200,000 naira. The trauma.
The guy when he get the hotel say they say 400,000.
400. I go produce the receipt now. You see, one thing about our people, you see, where is when person dey talk? Now when we went there to civil society, now we know say your words say I go there and I was there. Na two different things o. I go there go buy something. I did there when they buy something. They are two different things. But this word, so when you say the phone na 400,000, police go ask for the receipt. If you no get the receipt, they go ask for the carton. They go one will go am. Once they go and the amount does not come outside, which means you don already give false information there. That one another offense of its own again. So it's better you just say the truth and let the truth set you free than for you to say even if that 400,000, the life of that girl, the trauma you make her to go through, if na your mother, if na your sister, if you know say na woman na he born you fit treat that girl like that because 400,000 naira. You know what it now, you know what time. So there are all those things. Now our brothers from the east and the northern part, maybe say somebody will give you 200 naira, you go type bomb for yourself, go kill somebody because we no get value for human life. No get value for human life. So our value orientation, government, national orientation agency, they need to wake up, partner with the religious institution, partner with, because really the traditional institution they really give us value. Religion not give us value. Now secondary, when we dey grow up, now we can't know religion. Now traditional institution they give us value pass when we there. Because if you want thief, if you when they wake up, grow, they come that time. If you tie red cloth for this place, nobody did near there. If you like carry Quran, carry Bible, put for one stick now, they go collect the man, go to say God will answer, God will understand. Which means they still believe in our traditional institution. They make us who we are. So our traditional institution must begin to talk to parents. Tell them say they must bring us back. We don't lose track now. Make them begin to redirect us back again to where we.
I think person dey line. My brother, good evening. Well, I think that call will call back again.
So not until our traditional institution begin to talk to our parents, say this way, the way we dey go, so we don't miss track, or make we come back. I thank God for the life of our Baiwari. Bring us our value system, our cultural, make them start from our cultural display. Because they make riddles for us. As mood, taste by moonlight, all those things when NTA they do that time. Bring all these things back so that now this is make Africa be country.
Different story. I remember saying every evening that time when we dey grow come, our parents go sit us down come dey tell us different story about life. Na im make us come dey say no story wey dem dey talk that wey tortoise no go ever dey that story. Tortoise go get sense when e be say e take see as e take dey wan go im home dey comot for every story. So all these things wey be say we come.
Na be the value we today now, you know, when we dey grow up that time, e get wetin dey call otegudu. They put food for all of una for one train make una dey eat. The religious teachers don talk say na oath na una dey take. So this are African way of life. We don't fit behave like the Europeans. Africa dey get their own way of life. As una dey eat, so your mama know say you dey follow 15 years old, you wey be three months. You dey follow them eat. They don already make provision for you. Because when you all know say life na to struggle with your siblings, you go just dey there. Before you go even say make you take one book for man, they don finish am. Then when you cry, you go say okay, take your own. You get that sense of belonging. Say tomorrow I go try harder. Na all those values that we get when we say we dey fit survive. That's why you see say they go say disease don dey kill black man. You know this year suicide. Say person take suicide. But today now you go hear say Nigerian man don commit suicide.
Go take this call. Good evening. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
What up, sir?
Where you from? The call come.
I dey come from Benin.
Okay, we dey hear you. Go on.
From Benin, I said the call.
Okay, go on. We dey hear you. Go on.
That girl, those men wey do that thing, I beg. Me personally dey beg, make that girl get justice. Make she get justice. But those men, they be evil people. I no sure say na woman born, but if na woman born, they no go do that kind of thing. Wey dey do. Even if na 100 million you get thief, they no get right to. So that one, if that kind of offense na rape na dem go call that kind of offense. How man you go open gate there, a good man, wey this way you take as your sister, you go open gate, get there. That one be ordinary man, so you put you go dey pepper. So they say that country, and I tell wetin I wan see beg women affairs here, say make dem take up that issue, make dem try take that girl for proper treatment. Make dem go that girl na woman, make the thing no go affect her for future. Because she still young and I know say she go wan born children, that the social grace of God make the thing no go affect her. Abeg na I see dey beg, and abeg make dem no rest for this case, make dem no put her under carpet. Abeg na I say make I call her, but una do well, the God bless us.
Thank you. Njegib, you hear wetin that our person talk.
For me, women affairs, then they get the way they go take do am is dey slower than when you give neutral lawyers. When you give lawyers from outside, such as FIDA, such as public defender,
FIDA join,
such as human rights defender.
So make dem not just leave am for only women.
Na civil servant dey be now. They dey waka like egile. They no dey fast as we dey fast. We fit sit down say this night now say tomorrow I want this night I wan enter Lagos. But civil servant no go fit. E go first write application. Oga go come, you go submit am tomorrow. Oga go come approve. So all those civil servants, make they just.
Why civil servant go be like that? Because if you waka join wey be say the office no dey aware, anything wey you see inside, you take am like that. You just be like police wey dey no send go particular place. They post police say dey for ITV, they cover. Then they come discover say the police dey Lagos. Dem must ask. Good evening.
Hello.
Good evening, sir. Where you from? The call come.
I dey come from
Okay, there you go on.
Now, concerning that police that we dey watch, people can tell for police now. Everybody dey know. And the thing is for people to take that happen to be a sister. They want to take their life with anybody. You know, so that the people they need to follow that. I need to know that people are lost. I don't want to do this much. I need to know they don't forget because now girl, they're still at the level that is that. It's for the nature, it's for the slaughter of the now this video do that. I saw the video like together. So
will see them. The children are taking the house for so long. All those ones that we the students, other people who want to do bad things, they will not say saying no this. We are doing that.
Well, my brother, we do say make those people make them use iron and handle the case, make them no say law, see they exist for this country. That's why they talk about civil servant just now. See civil servant case, we say you must follow due process before anything will be said there. So you don't feel blame them. Now, what is the law of the land that they follow? Law say if you want to travel to Lagos, you must let the office know. Or else anything happen to you on your own.
Then they go slow down the hands of this justice because as it is hot now, if we not take eye follow am, you go see say this matter will just make it go just make where. So make them let other people with neutral body from outside when they passionate to make this thing move fast. Who are like civil societies and every other persons, the media, make them move this thing fast so that at the end of the day this girl will fit get justice. That's just if you put Ministry of Women Affairs, if you go there interview the commissioner now, they will say he dey executive meeting. If you meet director, they will say he go for a course. At the end of the day, these are people when you go say then go do counseling, say come give evidence for court, you no go see them. But if NGOs, civil societies and neutral persons they dey into this picture, they know which people they will invite. They will just cut all these people off. Then the thing will just move fast. So and I be with the one with me I see for them.
Well, I think for those who be say they take time, they watch and will really apologize for that picture golly will be say they on essence will be say yes, so you know say the way that picture be it get as it be. So we'll still continue to apologize for them. So as we see they move along, my brother, you know say we still get some challenge because if you see with the way I think they talk since you know say the institution where they get in question from they come. Nothing will be say the government go do. Will be say some of our guests now will be saying they involve for area of this institution to see the way be say don't take empower them, so that we know things like this. Because if you see so many of them, and if you see the way be say that institution till they spring up now for different corner for the country, is there nothing government can do?
And, government gets big role to play, but the issue is does these people they even know say government gets the role to play. Government
now if like say government they assist, if you just see as we dey here now they come tell you say I just wear shoe, say who buy this shoe for you, say na government buy this shoe for me, you no go ask say abeg where I for see the government, may I where the office.
No, you see they say free town nothing free for free town o, they buy something there. Government dey pray make these people make dem just dey collect money for them, make dem no even demand for anything. Na be government o. But if these people fit organize themselves, they challenge government say na you go provide this for us. If you know we got to a time we go lucky way tell them say make dem no dey pay tax. We don't want the government tie their
take this call. Good evening.
Hello.
Good evening, sir.
Hello.
Good evening.
Evening, I can hear you. Can you hear me?
Yeah, we dey hear you. Where from the call come?
I dey call from Benin. I dey call from Benin Road.
Okay, go on, sir.
Wetin I wan contribute say I like the way una take dey analyse the follow up the program. I like the way you say they remember all those evening play, all those story and all of it. But when we think say we still dey move forward for the world, technology don dey take over our lifestyle of olden days.
Okay.
And we dey develop along Western world because we don forget our culture and tradition. We don embrace foreign one. So most of the things wey dey happen for foreign land when we follow this foreign culture, we go certainly still see am. Because if we no appreciate our own, wetin we come see for foreign own, we go take am. I condemn wetin all those boys do. Those one na heavy boy. To me, bad thing na evil. Now we take categorize am. Because I no see the worth of anything when you go do your fellow human being like that. But wetin I go see advice say make we get good parental control. As you dey here now this evening, I believe say you still dey get in touch with your family, no tell your children, your wife, everybody dey out. Our papa and mama when they get female children, make dem no allow dem dey do wetin dem dey call this slave market now. If you see, I read that for social media, some go say na slay mama, some go say na this, and maybe you know wetin slay mama mean. They no dey stay one place. They no dey live the life wey their papa and mama dey. So they want to sleep from one place to another. At the end of the day, see the result. As we dey condemn the act of those guys, make we fit talk to our sisters, our parents, make dem take good care, make dem monitor these ladies too, because dem dey the weaker side. Na make all those people overrun this innocent girl. Anything wey you know say your papa no live according to the side wey your papa dey for town. No be the one wey your papa no get generator, you wan go sleep hotel wey e dey. At the end result, all this one about the things wey we dey. Make we embrace our former culture. I think we fit modernize them. But if we neglect our own, rush another person, na some of the disadvantages that my contribution be this. Thank you.
Well, my brother, we salute you. See wetin you talk now. Say yes, so say no say na we dey talk since say I tell you just and say the institution be say they pick am for one hotel, carry am go another hotel. You see the institution when e be say dey there, and these people no even come. When I see the girl, they no even come from here. You understand me? And they get parents. They dey now. Person when e get this stage, wey dey this stage, na government dey take care of am now, or e dey work. How e take dey survive? How e take dey do things? Because as far as say we dey condemn wetin all these boys do say e no good, we go still go into wetin where dem dey, and how government go take come into to rehabilitate people like this, so that make things like this. We no suppose to dey see like this, say things go dey go on like this and nobody take care of them. And if you look some of their age, they are young girls. If
you see, when I go dey waka for nights for town, go dey see them, I say, God, if good people come dey born bad, and in society be like, what of when bad come dey born evil, wetin society go come be? So e be also on government now to see beyond, see the citizen as an asset and not a liability. Put facilities in place. I'll see our legislators, they say that they give empowerment. You can't give empowerment. Teach person how to fish and not how to eat fish. Give them skills. When you give them skill finish, go give them where they will fish salt grants.
And if they had,
show them how they will do salt grants.
Now just look now, say if they go bank now for any grant or for money to take start business, the kind collateral wey dem say make you take go bring.
No, that one alone.
Okay, now
teach them how to access this grant. As legislator, you know, say even all these some of their projects, you know, say na
if you say me we even talk about that grant, the journey dey long. The one wey dey for the fast pass be say wey near you pass na loan before for bank.
No,
make the if any soft loan go dey when you go fit dey take, say okay, when you don get so money for account, so things you go fit take am. Because if you dey look for grant, the journey for grant, politicians dey hijack am.
Where the person wan
now they'll talk say now they'll tell you say the government wan give grant. How they take dey share grant? Just imagine if those wey dey share grant even go see the money wey dem dey share, the offence dey look at a political party wey be say you belong. No be all those people wey dem buy show for television. The real one wey dem say boo wey dem wan share for plenty people, ask dem where those wey dey be say dey up. Na only way dem wan do video and camera, we just say we just waka inside market. When you waka inside market, I give you, then they just record am. You think say na so dem dey share am.
The people come dey praise dem say
never see this kind of. You think say na so dem dey share am, dey go for everywhere. You know say no be so e be. The real one, either dem give am to woman leader for the state, or give am to the one wey come from that local government, or come the one wey be say e dey that ward. If we continue like this, how things go take move forward? We dey talk about Nigeria now. Any money wey any party wey dey on board dey share, no be the party money, na the state and the country money. So na every citizen na him dey entitled to that money.
Yes.
Not anybody wey be say he belong to a political party na him go fit get that money.
That is why you see say this our side, na our people we must continue to demand for. Because if we not as election dey come now, we will demand if no matter whoever that comes to power, we will demand for. Because for Fadama 3, if you go the other side of the country, you see the way that they give them to implement and all those things where they take the farm. But for here na paper. If you look at FEMA, they get tractor, but for here na wheelbarrow.
They no get wheelbarrow. They say they no get wheelbarrow.
So which means this place we get problem on our own. We as a people we get problem on our own. So we need to dey ask government institution. We don ask Edo State government some questions now. Instead of them to give us this information, dem dey tell us say how you go say law wey dem make for Abuja e no bind dem Edo State when e say the National Assembly shall make law for the good governance of this country. Una go dey select law. The one wey dem say law una take collect money, una go implement that one. The one una take provide something, una go say una no go fit provide that one. The one wey people take ask una question, una say will not be una jurisdiction for the people to ask una all those one. So these are wetin our people must buy your constitution, know it, and begin to challenge government. No, we all go die live am, but we go always leave a footprint for ground.
Well, I think my PD Sonny Ogobran in don really dey tell us say we don almost chop our time. My brother Ejegbe, I greet you well, and you will be say daytime they monitor this program. Since they watch this program, I salute. No, but Brian, I greet you well. My brother Oben, who in a person will be say a day on ground for us for inside this program. Says I greet you well, and you will do that. Don't forget by Monday, my brother Mark Bololo go there with us here.
May I quickly tell our people tomorrow 7 o'clock in the morning, may them join us from Museum Ground because we want to talk say may they not set their vote. If our vote not they count, why our politician want?
Why they not go oversee? Go come vote then.
So make una come tomorrow. Make una come join us to do the campaign. Say make una not say una vote. If they say una vote not they count, why we want buy? And the question we would ask them.
So you don't hear that one from my Ejegbe. On Monday we see the on ground. My name remain F.A. Osafowa. Nado.